Okay, so that was all I have for eyeshadows. Now let's come to eyeliners and then eyebrows and mascaras. So let's talk about eyeliners. First, let me talk about a glitter eyeliner. I think someone asked me to show a glitter liner. I forgot who. If you're watching this, please comment down below saying I asked for it. So this is the glitter liner that I use. It's from Kiko Milano and it is, the shade is, I forgot. I'll just link it down below. I can't see the name. It's worn off. So anyway, this is the shade. So as you can see, it's very pretty and has a nice reflex to it. And it just works with everything. It will work on your bare lid or like on top of your eyeshadows and stuff. It's a very nice product and it's very lightweight as well. So now let's come to pot eyeliners. I'm not showing any black in this video because we all have blacks and let's say they are boring. So I'm just talking about the colors, and if you want to see kajal recommendations, I have just uploaded that. So I'll leave that also. So you can watch that. So these are from Sugar Cosmetics. These are called Born to Wing. Now I have been obsessed with these. First shade is called Purple Haze. I'll just show you. So this is how Purple Haze looks like. A beautiful vibrant purple color, but it's very wearable. It looks so beautiful, and if you follow my tutorials, you know how many times I've used this. So the same variant is in a brown shade and it's called Brown Sugar, and it's a very nice warm brown. So this is the brown shade. It's a very beautiful brown and it's not too like blackish because then it kills the purpose, right? Then I have this one from LA Girl. This is called the Shockwave Neon Liner and this is in the shade Screaming. It's a vibrant yellow. Just look at that. It's like on your face yellow. If you like to play with colors, these are so good. Then I have I have actually a lot, but I'll show you two. These are from the Lasting Drama from Maybelline. I'll just swatch the blue, you know. Lustrous Sapphire, and it's this beautiful blue color. It's very pretty and very vibrant. I just hope that they are still available because I haven't seen them for a while. And now from the same range, I have this another color. It's called Bronze. So it's a bronzy copper, like it's a copper basically. It's called Striking Copper and it is shimmery, like metallic basically. So it's very pretty. Now next I have this shade from Nykaa. This shade is called Midnight Mage. It's again a blue but a very nice metallic midnight blue color. Very pretty, very nice formula. If you want a simple brown, just go for the pack one. This is pack Kohl in brown. This is the one. If you want to create a smoky eyes or something like that, this is so good. This works really nicely. The last one is from L'Oreal Infallible range, and so this one, it's a very pretty turquoise blue. And yeah, I'm done with my liners. Now let's just talk about mascara. So now, one new mascara is launched and it's from Maybelline. It's called something Falsies. I'll just leave the link down below. I'm going to buy that, so I don't know how it is, but I'll suggest you try it because it's Maybelline. It's going to be nice. So now let's just talk about those that I have. Removable, like not waterproof. So I have 4 of these. First one has to be Maybelline Colossal. I still love it. Like it has to be there in my kit. Now this variant is waterproof, this one, but you get a non-waterproof version of this one and it's beautiful. And I'm sure everybody has used it, and like this was the first range of mascara. So yes, I'm sure everybody used it, but still I always keep a backup of this. Next one is this from Rimmel. This is the Rimmel Scandalous Eye. There's too much noise. I'm really sorry. But is the Scandalous Eye mascara. Again, it's got a nice wand. Next one is this gross looking L'Oreal because I have taped it and yeah, it's just gone. So this is a L'Oreal Volume Lashes Extreme. It's beautiful. What do I say? I've used this so many times on my channel. And again, it's a very good mascara. I'll just show you the wand. So this is how the wand looks. It gives nice length. Next one is this mini from Benefit. This is the BADgal Bang Mascara. It has a really long wand and makes your lashes look really long. Not quite voluminous, but if you're looking for like really nice flirty long lashes, then you can go for this one. Now let's talk about my type of mascara. That is waterproof mascara because my lashes are like really straight and like they go down so they don't stick up. I need waterproof mascara to make them look like they're alive. So I have 4 recommendations for you guys. First one is this big shot from Maybelline, and I'll just show you the wand. So this is how the wand looks like. It's very spidery and like the wand is like really pokey. So this is what I have on today. I'll just zoom you guys in so that you can see. So this is the mascara that I have on today. I have only 1 coat of it, and you can see it just looks really nice. And yeah, it's kind of pretty actually. Okay, so the next one is from L'Oreal, and this is so good, and I think a lot of you have used it. If not, you have to try this. This is the Lash Paradise from Mascara. This is the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. This is how the wand looks like. I know a lot of guys have thought that it's very thick and does not really work. So if you find any mascara thick, just like wash out the leftover mascara from here and then use it, and you will find it as good as new. Last but not the least has to be this Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline again. First of all, the packaging is so adorable, and you also get this in a waterproof variant, by the way. Sorry, non-waterproof variant. This is waterproof. This is very beautiful, looks very chic, and such a good mascara. It gives you length, volume, and everything that you will want, and smells so good. Smells like pina colada almost. Yes, so this is the thing. Now let's just talk about eyebrows. I have a bunch of products. So the first one has to be the new favorite of mine, which is from Sugar. This is the Sugar 3-in-1 Brow Shape Arch Arrival. I'm in the shade Taupe Tom. Beautiful product. The shade match is on point, and I'll just show you the swatch of it. So this is the swatch, and it looks so natural and so close to my eyebrows, and just a beautiful one. These are the 2 that I have here. I have 1 in my bag. That is how much I love this product. I always have a backup of Precisely My Brow from Benefit, and I know these are expensive, but totally worth it. Benefit knows their eyebrow products, guys. You know, they are world famous for that. So I'm in the shade 05. So this is the shade number 05. So talk about Benefit, let's just finish all the Benefit products first. The next product that has actually changed my eyebrow came. This is the 24-hour brow setting gel from Benefit. Now I'll tell you this thing, that it will set your eyebrows for life. Like, you don't need to think about the hair going here and there. It's just the best product. Like, I would, if you ask me, I would invest again in it, not, I will say 100% I will do that. It's a beautiful, brilliant product. So now some affordable options will be Miss Claire pencils. Now if you're someone really new to makeup, or if you don't want to invest so much, go for these. These are so nice. This is the shade that I have. Again, a good shade. It's a sharpenable pencil and very cheap. Like, it's for 100 bucks, I guess. And it's in the shade dark brown. So I have 2 of these. I really like these, by the way. They might be cheap, but they work. And they're really nice. And the last product will be from NYX, and this is their micro brow pencil. Now this is a straight up dupe for Precisely My Brows, but still I prefer Precisely My Brow a lot more than this one. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a bit warm than my liking, a little bit warm, and it shows. So that's a little bit thing, but I do love this. I do love this a lot. Last but not the least, again, my favorite like eyebrow palette, which I did not expect to work at all. I'll be so honest with you guys. It's from Nykaa. So Nykaa sent this to me along with a bunch of product like last month before Durga Puja. This is called the Chamber of Secrets, and this is basically the eyebrow product from Nykaa. So this is how it looks like. It comes in, it has 3 shades in it, and a brush and a spoolie, which basically works actually. And this is the shade. These are the shades, and surprisingly all the shades work so nicely. Today I have filled my eyebrows with this, and this is such a good palette, guys. Like, seriously, such a good palette. If you have problem with filling your eyebrows with a pencil or a gel, and if you want something really easy, go for this one. This comes for rupees is it mentioned in here? Sorry, I can't see it in here, but definitely I'll link it down below. So yes, this is a great product. And we are done. Yes. So with that, I finished this video. I hope that I have recommended you guys enough good things that you want to buy. But again, I'll say that be very cautious about what you buy and what you spend your money on, because again, we are in the middle of a pandemic. I'll see you with the next video. Until then, bye.